Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Freelancer. So first of all, go ahead to your app. So Google Play, make sure that you updated the app to the latest version so you can actually get access to all the new features. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to my screen, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go to my browser, and basically if you want to withdraw money from Freelancer, log into your Freelancer account and then click on your profile photo thumbnail and then select withdraw funds. Choose the preferred withdrawal method. Some are not available in some countries. Fill out the details of the withdrawal, which will be specific in the chosen method. So right here, how do I withdraw from my account, and log into your Freelancer and then just withdraw funds. You will receive an email notification of your submitted withdrawal request. Note, the minimum withdrawal amount is $30, and all first withdrawals requests, withdrawal requests are delayed for 15 days for security reasons. All right. And what ways that you can send me my earning, as we said before, they allow earnings they allow the funds to be withdrawn to PayPal, Skrill, and Pioneer account, I assume. All right, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.